Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some Stylist Crochet Ladies Handbag Designs model. A crochet ladies handbag is a handmade bag created using yarn and crochet hook. Instead of being made from leather or fabric, it is created with crochet stitches, giving it a unique texture and often vintage or bohemian look. Popular styles: tote bags, large and spacious, great for everyday use. Couch bags, for small, elegant, and perfect for parties or formal events. Shoulder bags, comes with a strap for easy carrying. Crossbody bag, functional and stylish, ideal for casual outings. Beach bag, made with thick cotton or jute yarn for a summery look. Decoration ideas: use crochet flowers or appliques, wooden or bamboo handles, beads, tassels or frings, color block or ombre patterns. Here are some useful tips for making crochet ladies handbags. Choose the right yarn. Use a sturdy yarn like cotton, nylon or jute so the bag holds its shape. Avoid soft, stretchy yarns. They can make the bag sag. For a summer look, try raffia or mimicry cord. Use a smaller hook. Use a smaller hooks gives a tighter stitches, which makes your bag stronger and less likely to stretch out. Add a lining. Sew a fabric lining inside the bag to prevent stretching and keep small items from falling through. Use printed cotton or canvas fabrics for a neat finish. Reinforce the handles. Crochet handles can stretch, so reinforce them with leather straps, rope, or wooden handles. You can also crochet over a cord for extra strength. Pick a functional design. Think about how you will use the bag. Tote for daily use, pouch for events, crossbody for travel or casual wear. Decorate creatively. Add crochet flowers, tassels, beads, or buttons. Try mixing 2 or 3 colors for a stylish effect. Finish neatly. Oven all yarn ends carefully. Lock the bag. Lightly steam or shape it so that it looks professional. Choose a strong base. Start with a solid flat base so your bag can stand upright. You can use single crochet, half double crochet, or even crochet over plastic canvas or leather pages for extra sturdiness. Add a zipper or button. Add a zipper, magnetic snap, or button to keep your item secure. Sew it neatly after finishing the crochet part. Mix materials. Combine crochet with leather, denim, or canvas for a modern look. Crochet the main body and add leather straps or side panels for contrast. Try unique stitch patterns. Use textured stitches like bubble, puff, shell, or basket weave to make the bag more eye-catching. Mix stitch types or creative patterns. Experiment with colors. Try color blocking, overshading, or striped patterns. Neutral tones use cream, beige, tan. Give a classic look, while bright colors make a fun statement. Add accessories. Decorate with pom-poms, tassels, wooden beads, or metal charm. Add a small crochet flower or heart motifs for a feminine touch. Care tips: hand wash gently with mild detergent. Reshape and air dry cloth. Avoid hanging when wet. It can stress the yarn. Personalize it, add a crochet tag with your name or logo. You can also make matching accessories like a small coin pouch or keychain. Use double thread for assembly. When sewing pieces together or adding handles, use a strong nylon thread instead of regular yarn. It gives extra durability. Shape while you crochet. As you work, keep checking the shape of the bag. Use stitch markers to keep sides even and symmetrical. Stiffen the bag optional if you want the bag to be firm. Use fabric stiffener or light interfacing inside the lining. You can also crochet with 2 strands of yarn together for a thicker structure. Try textured or patterned panels. Mix plain stitches with crochet lace or granny squares to add texture. Example: a crochet solid base and floral granny squares for the sides. Use a contrast handle. Choose a handle that stands out. Wooden rings, bamboo handles, or metal chains. Add a stylist touch. Hide shims neatly. Join panels using the invisible shim method or slip stitch join to keep it steady. Match the joining yarn colors with the main bag color. Play with patterns, straps, chevron, or mosaic crochet patterns for visual interest. For a vintage feel, use pastel tones. For a modern vibe, go bold with geometric color combos. Add a pocket. Crochet to sew a small inner pocket for keys or your phone. It makes the bag more practical. Add final finishing touches. Stay block lightly to shape. Add a your brand tag or handmade label for a professional finish. You can even add a small charm or tassel on the zipper pull. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!